Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Pickers the Gaijin here, Jamaican YouTuber. We are here back again for another review reaction to I know he I know Sato, Love Village, or the new Japanese love docu-series, docu-soap reality thing. And it's supposed to be replacing Terrace House, but it's a totally different spin. I'm enjoying it so far. So let's get straight into it. Patrons get a full live watch, and subscribers on the YouTube channel get a review with the still images because we don't want to get violated on the copyright and thing, right? All right, let's get into it. You are. Wait a minute. No, no big man is going to talk to me like that on TV. Him could have been maybe my father, and even then, no sir, this is spicy. All right, I don't know about y'all, but Tabo looks like he has never done any form of farming at any point in his life. When I was going to school in Jamaica, we learned a bit of agriculture and farming and stuff. But what is so gentle? Get in there, man, and dig up the soil. All right, so thus far, we're just looking at Tachan's relationship and why it broke, why it didn't work out. So she was married to this guy. She was laid back and impulsive, which I don't get, but I work with it. Laid back but get impulsive, okay. And the guy was a neat freak, Japanese typical neat freak, OCD type guy. So she really worked hard at trying to make to please her husband and to make sure that he was always happy. But the laid back side of her was apparently getting tired. Like her real personality was like struggling, and so apparently the husband sensed that and then created a rift. Then there was an argument, and her child said, "Mom, it's okay. It's not your fault. It's my fault." And right so, I was like, Jesus. And she realized that at that point that she was actually wearing down her son and not doing the best for her, best for him by staying in the marriage. So they got divorced after 10 years. And then she says no, she realized what made her marriage not work, and then they leave us on a cliffhanger like that. But I figured it's something to do with how she was not able to like allow men to approach her, or I don't know. I don't know. That's what she's saying. One of my subscribers and somebody actually know said that the narrator is kind of I don't know. It doesn't add to me. It doesn't add to the production. I could not even tell. Wow. All right. So at this point now, we're realizing that Tachan and Tabu actually have more in common than we thought. They're both third generation Korean, half Koreans. I never saw that coming. And obviously, they're going to get married and have lots of kids and eat kimchi. Andre, that was not nice. But yeah, I am usually, the first couples that form in these reality shows, it depends on what the producers really want. I was watching Shits and Giggles the other day, and they're like, we never really get invested in the first couple that gets together because you always know there's somebody that's gonna come after that is really, really hot that's gonna cause a rift. But let's see what's happening here. Damn. So Minane story is that she has been divorced twice, and she said she has literally seen the love fade from her husband's faces. Both husbands cheating on her. I don't know if I'm going to say I can see why. I don't know yet because I haven't seen her personality or whatever. But she says right now she's looking for somebody that can change her diapers. Fam, this woman is real. I love Minana, y'all. Who I'm looking for someone who I don't need no damn romance. I need someone who can change my diapers. God damn it. I love it. All right, so Johnny, who is the leader, the elected leader of the village, Love Village, right now has a golf tournament, golf competition, and Hollywood and UKMon are teamed up, and Tabo and the couples that already formed teamed up, right? Um, UKMon is really bad at golf, and she hits the makeshift golf club, and the head of the golf, the putter part, flies away. But Hollywood is like encouraging her, Hageme Hagema Shita. He's like encouraging her and making sure she doesn't feel bad. But obviously, he's trying to get in those kimonos. You know what I mean? He's trying to get in them, trying to get inside of that. Sakura, you know what I mean, bro? Like trying to get inside, you know, getting her onigiri, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean? Andre, that's so trash and cringe. I'm sorry. Hold on, hold the hell on. This narrator is giving away stuff. Love Village. Why is this narrator spoiling it? I don't know how I feel about this narrator, dude, because like I'm watching that, I would never know that something bad is gonna happen after this. No, I'm waiting for the bad thing, the other shoe to drop, basically. God spoiler. What a blood. Yo, like, honestly, like, so, oh boy, take with the youth from after Johnny asked the period, you came up for a little bit. No, just relax now. It's one time, one talk. Don't be so clingy. Oh boy, see, put on this, you look cute. Like basically, yo, my girl, you can't just lay in the comments and think I don't want the rest of the food, baby. I am dying. And then he asks, and the comments say, electric screwdriver and chicken. All them link up. Wow, that's crazy. He's just like, wow. What? No way he did that. No way, no way, no way, no. No way, this man does work. The man does pleasure. Is he drunk? Must be drunk, sorry. Well on. You Kimo. Nani? Yo. Go to Hollywood, the girl. I feel it swag, my G. Like, she's not even turned off by this, and pretty big. All right, girl. All right, so Johnny has a clinic that he runs and has been working late nights. He got special permission to use his laptop because no one has laptops or phones or TVs to distract him from the Love Village, right? Because of that, he has been unable to sleep because he usually sleeps in a bed, not a futon. So he has been having like insomnia and some other things. Apparently, in the morning, he had to take a pill, sleeping pill, to fall asleep. Half of a pill, or 2 milligram pill. In the morning, he wasn't feeling too well and was asking, from his perspective, was asking others to help him, like, get the bread for me, please. Can he pass the eggs, pass the bread, pass the butter, and he's cooked breakfast. Apparently, Hollywood took offense to that and said, don't talk to us like that because whatever. And psychology should not depend on pills because we don't want people to see us out here being dependent on pills. And Johnny just went off, and people, I don't think I've seen sober people argue like this in Japan. Drunk people arguing makes sense, but this is wild. Yo, what is this drama over 1 or 2 pills? 1 or 2 pills, one time. Yo, when I tell you all about Japanese people, you know, the image. It's all about the image. Popping 2 pills, that matter, those the image. I tell you, you don't believe when we talk. So all this thing hype them up to be. This is what real Japanese people are like. They're just like real people. Real people. This is how they are. They have the flaws, the good things, and just like everybody, every human being in the world. One I hide fam. I don't see it. Anyway, come through Taba, come save it, car. That's it. So that is it. That's it. Utter rubbish. So that's that. So that is the video. Wow. Episode. Yeah, Hollywood is a lot, and I guess his name really means Hollywood because there's a lot of acting there, a lot of exaggeration, which is good for the show. And as the girl said, he found out a lot of information about these 2 guys and their egos. So let me know what you think about it in the comments down below and see you in the next video. All right, bye. Because I got you, Jamaican YouTuber.